The next thing we have is the clock points here. So this is where you set up or where you restrict where your employees can clock in and out. So you can either restrict it by device, by IP address, by Wi-Fi ID, and by GPS address. So if you are going to select a device, just make sure you click the add device here, and then you select the device ID. So you can see this one on the login page. There should be a grayed area under the login button, so that's where you will see your device ID, the device name, then click save, and then it should be added right away, just like this one. And then we also have add IP. So for the IP address, it should also be available on the grayed area under the login button on the login page. We have the add Wi-Fi. So this one would only be, you would only be able to see this one on the grayed area under the login button and the login page if you're using the web app or the desktop app rather, or the mobile app. And then of course we had the add GPS. You just have to enable the GPS locations of your device, and then it should show you right away where your red mark is or where you are located. So you just enter your clock point name. It could be an office, office 1, office 2. It's up to you. And then we will see the longitude and latitude. Once you have dragged the red mark over the map, and then you can set how many feet the employees are allowed to clock in and out away from the clock point. Then just click save GPS zone, and then it should be good to go, just like this one. So you can add, you can delete, you can edit, and you can hide an existing clock points that you have. So you just make sure that you click on the corresponding buttons. So if you click archive, it should load for a bit, and then it should remove that clock point. So if you want to restore that clock point, you just scroll all the way down, click show archive clock points, and then just unarchive it to restore it, and delete it to completely delete it on the system. And then the last page we have would be the reports. So in the reports page, this is where you download and print out the reports of the time cards, or as well as other reports that is available here on this page. So for CSV and Excel files, those will be automatically downloaded. And for the PDF files, it should show you a print preview page. You can just select whether you save it first before you print it out, or you can just print it out directly. So an example for that one, audit log time cards. You can sort it per department, per employee, select the date range, click OK, and then it should download you the CSV file after a few minutes. For PDF file, let's see payroll summary. And just select the department that we only want to see, select the name of the employees we only want to see on the reports, the date range, how you want to see the hours. It could be hours and minutes with a letter or in decimal format, and then click OK. And once you're done, redirect it to the print preview page right here, where we can select whether just to download it first or print it out directly.